They claim that you have forgotten the promises you made before the elections.
I can never forget. This is my कितें म्हणटा तें that very the blood runs in our veins is against these particular projects. Because गोंय जर उरोंक ना जाल्यार आमीच उरपाक ना. And this is what I'm trying to tell the elected representatives, MLAs of the ruling party, that तुमीच ना जातले. You will lose your existence, your identity. Don't, bend in front of money power. Your children will ask you tomorrow, children will curse you. So हे विसरूंकूच जायना. ही लढाई सदांच चालू आसा. Almost all political parties now are aware of Goa's problem because I meet them. I take appointments with them. I tell them, this is a problem. Please help me. So when I raise issues, certain parties, other parties in the opposition have also supported me. I tell them I am speaking at so and so time on Goa's issues. So they wachna, they basan raota to support me. So this is a bridge which I have built and made them help our cause of Goa.